Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you how to fix GCash. This feature does not support Android version 4.4 and lower. If you're seeing this error, it basically means your device is too old for that feature or the current app version. The first thing to try is updating your Android version. Let's go to Settings and let's click on About Phone. Now let's click Software Update and check if an update is available. If your phone can upgrade past 4.4, that should fix it. If your device cannot update, common with older models, your options are limited. You can either use a newer phone that supports the latest Android version, try using GCash on a PC via an Android emulator if you have access. Unfortunately, there's no way to make this feature work on older devices that can't upgrade, so using a supported device is the most reliable solution. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.